CTM stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. We're sitting at Castellum has gone up to 40% approximately, almost. And last week performance in an end of week report, 113 as of right now. We're gonna close in 8 minutes, so it's gonna be about there, unless like we just start really sending off. But yeah, my previous bias on this, like what was it? It was like that we were in a supply area, and my idea was actually quite wrong. It was quite the opposite. Like what's happening right now, it's quite the opposite. And I just love my strategy and approach because look, if I saw a double break, then and only then this is something that I was then willing to short. And did I see it? No. That's why no trades got taken. And I definitely put a big emphasis on that. Now, because we're just shifting markets, there's nothing stopping me from longing this market, but like not randomly though. Like I'm not gonna be like a dumb optimist, you know. I'm not gonna do that. More so, I want to see the price retrace down, and then if I see like that, doesn't even have to be the demand area there, but like a proper double retracement, then a double break up, then and only then this is something that I'm willing to long. Other than that, I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. I will see you in the next one. See ya.